Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be taking you guys to Bannerghatta National Park, which is one of the oldest zoos that we have in Bangalore. So let's get going and let's continue the video after we reach there. So guys, we have finally reached the park. So we can see the park is a little bit crowded as it's a weekend. And as we walk into the park, we can see the map of the park, which is displayed to the left side. So we are reaching the map right now. You guys can pause the video and go through the map or layout of the park. So as we walk past the map in the zoo and we walk forward, we reach the first captivity, which is the zebras, of course, and we can see the zebras at a little far distance under the tree. I'll zoom in a little bit here so that you can see them much better. As we move further, we can see the giraffe. There are two giraffes the distance there. Up next, we can see the Bengal tiger, the Great Bengal tiger. This is one of the most endangered species of our country. This tiger is named as Mithun, and Mithun was born on 20th of April in the year 2011. So up next, we can see the Himalayan black bear. They are highly efficient climbers and spend most of the time foraging high on the trees. They tend to hibernate from the month of November until the month of April. So up next, here we can see the ostrich. These guys have a lifespan of 30 to 40 years. They grow between 6 feet and 9 feet tall and can weigh somewhere between 60 kgs to 150 kgs. Look at these guys, they are busy picking from the floor. So up next, this species of bird is called the emus. They are also the national birds of Australia. So moving further from the emus, we can see the wild dog. These guys have a lifespan of 16 years and they are normally found in the tropical forest. In the wild, they feed on deer, wild pigs, sheep, and so on. So after the wild dogs, as we move further forward, we get to see the hyena. You can see one of them sleeping over there in the corner of the cage. So these guys tend to be in herds. So as we move further ahead, in this particular cage we can see a herd of wolves. These guys can live up to 10 years. They hunt in packs. In most part of Kerala, you get to find these guys roaming around. And these guys hunt down on chickens in most of the places in Kerala. And these guys are also the main carrier of rabies viruses. As we walk further forward towards the right of the pack of wolves, we reach the hippos, or also known as the hippopotamus. So these guys are chilling in the water to scorch off the heat, the hot sunny day. And these are one of the dangerous animals that we can find, and they usually tend to attack humans when they get a chance. So you would have seen many videos on YouTube where you see them coming and banging the vehicle. As we move further ahead of the hippos, we enter the section of the deers. In this particular zoo, you get to see a lot of species of deers here. So right now we can see a herd of deers in the distant cage, and over this side towards the left we can see the black buck. These particular species are called black buck. They can live up to 15 years and they are mainly found in India. They have a long and black colored horns, and this is how they got their names as black buck. So in this particular cage we could only see two black bucks, and as we move further ahead we get to see another species of the deer, which is called as Shanghai deer. These species, like the previous one, has a lifespan of 15 years, and they are herbivorous animals. So as we move further ahead, we get to see the elephants. We could only see two baby elephants, and these are the only two elephants that we get to see in the zoo as on date. Talking about these elephants, they are the state animal of Kerala and Karnataka. Many temples in Kerala have elephants that they own, and few famous actors of Kerala like Jairam and Ganesh Kumar also owns the elephant as their pet. Up next, as we move further ahead, we get to see the lioness. She is lying and chilling over there. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the lion into the picture as he was inside the cage having a nap. So from here we move towards the birds section, and we can see the African grey parrot. These birds live up to 60 years and they have a grey colored body and a beautiful red tail. So further up next we have the green winged macaw. They have characteristic red lines around their eyes formed by a row of tiny feathers. So here we have the Amazon parrot. They have a red and green color texture all over their body. They can live up to 50 years long and they look pretty beautiful in person. So up next we have the blue-crowned pigeon. They are the official provincial bird of West Papua. The video game spin-off Angry Birds Stella has a western-crowned pigeon named Willow who wears a striped hat to conceal her crest. And moving further ahead, we have the rose-ringed parrot. These are one of the few parrot species that have successfully adapted to living in disturbed habitats. So up next we can see the cocktail birds, and moving ahead we get to see the turtles. These guys look pretty awesome inside the water, so they're enjoying their time with a group of friends. So there are various different species of turtles that you can see here, and from the turtles as we move forward we get to see crocodiles. They're also known as the crocs. So these guys are normally seen in the rivers and lakes in many parts of India. And after the crocs we have the alligators. So these guys are mainly found in the forests, mainly towards the rainforest, and these guys are not usually seen in rivers as well. So moving further ahead we can see the owl, and furthermore ahead we get to see a few more species of parrots and the other birds. And here we have the peacocks. They are our national bird, and there are various different varieties of peacocks that you get to see here. This is a regular peacock, and we also, so here we have the white peacocks. They look way prettier in person than seen on the cameras. They are pure white in color. So further up we have the lion-tailed monkey who's sitting on the platform, and his colleague who's roaming around the cage. So moving further ahead we get to see a few more species of birds. So you guys enjoy the rest of the bird section. I'll catch you guys at the end of this particular section. So here ends the bird section. So up next we have the cheetah, and we are almost towards the end of the zoo. So these guys are chilling over here. One person on the platform that they've built. The other person is walking around, probably trying to have some exercise. Look at that guy walk around. Such a beautiful entry. So you guys enjoy the rest of the video. So I'll catch you up at the end of this video. So hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing the channel for more crazy contents coming your way. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on updates. Until next time, peace out.